Hey, how you doing, supercoders? Welcome back to our new lecture. And in this lecture, we will be solving this pattern. Okay. Now, before going further with this video, I highly suggest you to watch my previous two videos because I will be using the concepts and tricks that I have used in my previous two lectures. And also, you need to go through that magic start funda loop concept. Okay. Now, let's get ahead with the problem. So basically we need to print this pattern. Can I say that this pattern is the amalgamation, or this pattern is basically the addition of these two patterns? And when these two patterns are added, this pattern is made. So simply, what was the condition of printing the stars in this pattern? We were printing stars in this pattern whenever I was equal to j. In this pattern, we were printing stars whenever I plus j was equal to n plus 1. Okay. So can I say that I need to print the stars? To print this pattern, I need to print the star whenever the value of I is equal to j, or the value of I plus j is equal to n plus 1. So simple. Now let's get ahead with doing our code. In the outer for loop, it will run up till here, 1 till n plus 1, 1 till n. So for that I have to write n plus 1. The inner for loop will run till n plus 1. This will give us a box of 1 till 1 n into n box. This basically is going to give me n into n box. Okay. Then if the value of I is equal to j, or I plus j is equal to n plus 1, then I am simply going to print the star. Otherwise, I am going to print star ending with a tab. Okay. Otherwise, I will be printing, else I will be printing a tab, a basic tab. And since I want the tab to be in the same line, so I will be using this. And after each line, I want the cursor to move in the next line. So this thing will be written in the outer for loop. Print end is equal to this. Now, I hope that you must have understood up till here. Now let's print it. It's going to obviously give us an error because I have not used the right. I should have used these marks. Okay. Now it's going to run properly. It's apparently has given us an error. The reason for that is this. Now it's going to be run superbly. Let's see. Yes, it is running perfectly. Yes, and let's submit it now. And we will be getting a 10 out of 10. For this, do you need a dab? No, it's not a dab worthy question now. Okay, bye.